Your boy is here to unbox Avengers Endgame on DVD. Yeah. Wow, it's in the shrink wrap. Have a good look at it. Yes, I have Infinity War on Blu-ray. I have Age of Ultron on Blu-ray. I have Infinity War on Blu-ray. The first Avengers on Blu-ray as well as DVD. And Endgame I just got on DVD again. I had a much more in-depth conversation with Danny, but look here. Just read that. Isn't it so true? Get that out of the way for now. Actually, I don't know if I want the sun at all. Avengers Endgame. Alright. It's open. It's open. Beautiful disc. That's my unboxing of Avengers Endgame, guys, on DVD. Can't wait to rewatch this. Probably right now. Yeah, I probably will rewatch it right now, but hopefully I might have a snap, actually. But, yeah, it's open, so yeah.